Recording your band often means choosing between a good stage mix and a clean multi-track recording. But what if you could capture every instrument on its own track in 24-bit quality without needing a computer? This is the promise of the TASCAM Model 16, a complete mixing studio designed for band recording. It's also a professional USB audio interface with extremely low latency for when you do use a computer. We'll show how its analog design, sound quality, and hybrid functions make it the definitive tool for bands. So what does this all-in-one studio provide physically? It's built to handle a full band with no issues. You get 14 easy-to-access top panel inputs. 10 of these are XLR mic inputs with full phantom power. Critically, this machine operates like a classic analog board. Physical faders mean no menu diving mid-show. Its durable, roadworthy construction is made for gigging, and its compact size fits any rehearsal space. It even has modern features like Bluetooth 5.0, perfect for streaming backing tracks from a phone. So we have a well-connected mixer with a classic feel. But the real quality starts with the sound it captures. A great recording starts with the preamplifiers. This is where TASCAM's audio engineering history shows. Channels 1 through 8 feature TASCAM's Ultra HDDA preamps. They deliver a pure, natural, and transparent tone with ultra-low noise, which is vital for vocals. Capturing a clean signal is step 1. Step 2 is shaping it on the fly. The Model 16 gives you direct tools for this. On the first 8 channels, you get a simple one-knob compressor. This lets you tame vocals or add punch to a bass guitar without needing outboard gear. Each of those channels also has a 3-band EQ. The sweepable mid-range frequency lets you pinpoint and fix problem tones or sweeten an instrument's character. To finish the sound, there are 16 editable onboard effects. You can add reverb to vocals or delay to a guitar solo, all inside the mixer. Here's a real-world problem. Your band needs custom monitor mixes. The 3 aux buses send different mixes to each musician's stage monitor. The band is playing and the mix is set. With one button press, all 14 inputs plus the main mix are now recording straight to an SD card at 24-bit 48 kHz. The guitarist flubbed a solo, no problem. The punch-in feature lets you re-record just that part on up to 8 tracks at once, a studio trick now available live. After the gig, you pop out the SD card, move the individual audio files to your computer, and you are ready to mix in your preferred audio software. We've seen its power as a standalone unit, but what makes it a true hybrid studio is how it works with your computer. This is where things get interesting. Juggling inputs, tracks from a computer, and the internal recorder at once sounds confusing. In a few moments, you'll see how the Model 16 makes it simple. The solution is a single switch on every channel, the input mode switch. This is arguably the most powerful control on the entire mixer. This switch has 3 positions for each channel. Live is the microphone input. USB is audio from your computer. MTR is playback from the internal SD card. Because this is selectable per channel, you can mix sources. Drums on channels 1-8, a backing track from your computer on 9-10, and recorded vocals on 11. To help manage this, TASCAM provides a software meter bridge. A USB connection gives you a large, detailed view of all signal levels on your computer screen. That input mode switch is the bridge for the whole system. It's how you record computer-free, then integrate that recording back into the mixer for overdubs. You get the tactile zero-latency feel of the analog faders we mentioned earlier, while controlling audio from 3 different places: live, computer, and recorder. This hybrid system isn't just a feature, it's a new way of working. It encourages musicians to play together in one room to capture that live feeling. It all adds up to a single device that removes technical obstacles, letting bands concentrate on their performance while getting professional recordings. The TASCAM Model 16 is a user-friendly and high-quality studio mixer, merges an analog heart with a digital brain. It solves the initial problem by not forcing a compromise between live mixing and multi-tracking. It brings high-end features to an affordable price point. You get pristine sound, intuitive hands-on control, and unmatched recording flexibility, both with and without a computer. It is an entire studio in one box. The TASCAM Model 16 is available now. Stop compromising and start capturing the true sound of your band. Find out more at the link in the description.